Finland. Springtime in March. The western coastline. A sea area outside the city of Vaasa. One of the Finnish oil recovery vessels is sailing to her oil recovery training mission. The main aim is to test ice thickness sensors and to collect data to develop the oil spill drift model that is also valid in ice-infested conditions. Maritime traffic here is year-round. It's a non-stop system supported by a modern icebreaker fleet and a vessel traffic management system. However, maritime accidents and oil spills are always a threat. Year-round oil recovery must be available in icy conditions too. The harsh Arctic conditions present the twin challenges of a vulnerable environment and increasing critical oversight by society. In 2015, the Finnish Environment Institute, SYKE, arranged a large-scale Arctic oil recovery event close to Kemi harbour in the icy waters of the Gulf of Bothnia. The event was both an international conference on pollution prevention in the Arctic and a full-scale ice trial. Selected mechanical oil recovery systems were compared in severe ice conditions.
This is very important for us because as we see the Arctic Ocean opening, we're seeing more activity in the water off of the US coast of Alaska. And so we're very interested in learning from the Finns as to how you do oil spill cleanup in ice and looking to see where we can cooperate together for responding to oil spills if they occur in the Arctic region. We're also very interested in understanding the kinds of capabilities we need to operate effectively in the Arctic.
This exercise was also a rehearsal for the major Arctic oil spill event in 2018 in the city of Oulu, which also included both the International Arctic Conference and a full-scale trial. This time, the ice trial was arranged based on the Copenhagen Agreement concerning the cooperation in taking measures against pollution of the sea by oil or other harmful substances. The trial was also part of Arctic cooperation on marine oil pollution and response in the Arctic, coordinated by the APP4SEA Working Group of the Arctic Council. The event also offered an excellent platform for international scientists and experts to present their latest results and to exchange ideas.
The most interesting part for me during this exercise was to see the different type of skimmers that you have on board the vessels that took part in this exercise. Not only here on Turva, but also on the other vessels. I think that the Finnish mechanical recovery systems shows us that you have a wide range of tools that you can use, and that is important.
It is very important for Russian Arctic because we begins to develop oil and natural gas fields, and problem of mining oil and oil transportation very important for our country.
The full-scale exercise outside the city of Oulu was also part of joint work to develop and test the new operational guidelines for oil recovery efforts.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Lieutenant Commander Wes James.
Tabletop exercises were arranged during the event, and experts had the opportunity to follow full-scale trials aboard the recovery vessels. The standard methods to prevent oil from spreading utilize various types of booms with skimmers and recovery ships. These methods work well enough in open water conditions, but the presence of sea ice rapidly degrades the efficiency of these traditional mechanical methods. The novel heavy-duty oil recovery systems, however, may offer a tested method to collect oil from among ice. They can naturally also be used in open water conditions. Systems mounted on large ice-going ships or icebreakers ensure there is enough storage capacity for the recovered oil.